In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment links on QuickBooks using the intuitive guide within the platform. This can be an extremely useful task if you're looking to simplify the payment processes for your customers, and I'm here to help you through it, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to QuickBooks. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. This is your starting point to access all the features QuickBooks has to offer. If you're not already a user, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll see a menu panel on the left side of your screen. Next, hover over this left side menu where you'll want to look specifically for the section labeled Your Books. This area serves as the control panel of your business operations within QuickBooks. It's conveniently organized to help you manage different aspects of your accounting seamlessly. Now let's proceed by clicking on Sales within the Your Books section. This is where you begin to delve into revenue tracking options QuickBooks provides, including invoicing, payments, and customer management tools. Interacting with this section can give you a clearer picture of your business's sales activities. Following that, click on Payment Links. The payment links are a method for speeding up the invoicing and billing process by allowing clients to pay via a simple link, which QuickBooks helps you create in just a few steps. It's a feature aimed at making transactions smoother for both you and the customer. After opening the Payment Links section, you'll see an option that says Get Started. Click on that. This action is essentially the green light to initializing the payment link setup process. QuickBooks provides a straightforward interface to guide you through entering the necessary information. The next step is to fill out your business information. There should be a prompt guiding you through detailed fields about your business. Completing this part ensures that the payment links reflect your business and help customers recognize who they're transacting with. It's vital for building trust and promoting transparent communications. After entering your business information, you'll need to input details about yourself. This might include your full name, address, and possibly other identifying information. These fields help verify account ownership and enhance the security of transactions set up through QuickBooks. Finally, it's time to handle the aspect of deposit accounts. You'll need to specify how payments collected through your payment links should be deposited into your bank account. QuickBooks will walk you through linking your bank account securely, remaining safe while keeping these processes efficient. And that's it. With these steps, your payment links should be set up correctly, allowing you to provide a convenient payment option to your clients. Thank you for watching, and be sure to return for more helpful QuickBooks tips and guides.